Hey, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Victoria and today I am sharing our camping setup with you. Now, keep in mind that we are by no means pros at camping, but we are loving the outdoors life. So in this video, you'll see all the things that we like to take when we go camping. First up is our tent. Now inside our tent, we have 3 cots. We have 1 lantern to see at night, and we have 4 sleeping bags. We're a family of 4, but my daughter sleeps with me. And my kids like to take card games, books to enjoy. These cots are pretty cool. They come with little side tables where you can put your drink, water, your books, toys, your cell phone. And I will be linking all the things you see in this video down below, and that way you guys can take a look and see. And the next thing is our kitchen and pantry. I like to keep all of our food in a bin like this, and this just keeps the flies or bees away. This bag here is like our pantry bag, and I just keep the apples, oranges, little things the kids like to snack on. And this is what we use to cook in the mornings, and I will be linking that below if you are interested in checking that out. This is our cooler where we keep the milk, our eggs, coffee creamer, ketchup. We have tortillas for breakfast burritos or quesadillas, easy stuff. We love Zevia drinks, and so that's in here, plus juice boxes for the kids. We also like to take a table that you can see there, a foldable table, just in case if we don't have a table where we set up our camp, like our tent. And then these are the lawn chairs that we have. We take 4, 2 for the kids and then 1 for my husband and I. And my husband likes to keep the bags that they come in on the chairs, just so it's easy to put away once we're done using them and head back home. So that was a quick overview of what we take when we go camping. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. I will catch you on the next video. Bye!